Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making coconut candy. Yes, the Nigerian coconut candy. But we're going to make it a little bit of fun and cover it in chocolate, almonds, and different fun, delicious things. To begin, we're going to need half a cup of sugar, one large coconut, shredded, the water from the coconut that we shred, melted chocolate, peanut powder, shredded coconut, and sliced almonds. We're gonna keep this mega funky, y'all, so stick around. Traditionally, you use plain water, about a cup of plain water, but today I'm using coconut water from that same coconut that I am using for this recipe, and I'm going to warm it up a little bit, then add the sugar. Now we're going to boil the sugar until it browns, it caramelizes, and we're going to then pour in our coconut. Now it's almost time to pour in our shredded coconut. We're going to turn the coconut into the liquid and let it completely submerge itself in the liquid, and we're going to now saute it until it starts to brown. So once the liquid is completely covered, the coconut turns a little bit transparent, and then we just start to brown it. It's almost done. Some people like to stop right here, but I like my coconut a little bit more roastier than this. It's really on your choice and your taste bud. So I'm going to saute it, excuse me, a little bit more until we're right about here. Just a little bit more because I like it a little burnt. Alright, now we are done. We are going to plate this on a flat dish and spread it out and let it cool until it is warm. If you touch it right now, you're going to burn yourself. But if you're really eager to really mold this, then you can use a ice cream scoop and scoop it. But I'm going to let it cool for about 5 minutes until it's warm, not cold, until it's warm, so that I can mold it into little balls. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just molding my coconut into little balls so that I can later on cover it in chocolate and other fun things. The coconut is rolled into small to medium pieces, and that's what it looks like. And I am going to now dip them in semi-sweet dark chocolate that I melted from baking chocolate chips. So that's what I did. Now this looks a hot mess. Don't fret, it's gonna get better. See, I told you, it's gonna get better. Alright, so for my plating, I dusted the plate with I believe I took the same chocolate chips and I blended it out, and that's what I used. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make this for your niece or your nephew. That's what I did, and he really loved it.